All three of those things do different things when it hits your mouth. But in my mind, it sounds pretty great. None of this should work. My name is Spencer Watts, and I'm gonna cook some noodles in real time. I'm gonna make a beurre blanc. I'm gonna do everything wrong, but everything right, and make it Asian-y flavor, and then serve it with German egg noodles. This sounds pretty dumb. I'm gonna put another log on the fire. We were at a sushi restaurant, and they served like these scallops with prawns on it. They call it scallop kushiyaki. We tried to like reverse engineer this sauce. The Japanese chef was like soya, lemon, and butter. And we were like, what? It would always split. But then we figured out it was treated like a beurre blanc. So this has every opportunity to go wrong. We're gonna start with a little sauce here. And I'm gonna bump up the sauce with a little bit of veg. I'm gonna use some shiitake mushrooms. Use what makes sense in this story. But you could use button mushrooms or whatever. But what you can't do is eat the stems. They're gross. So we're gonna have a little mushroom fire in there. That's extremely hot. And I like cooking shiitakes a little bit wider because they can get really nice and crispy. I want a little bit of oil so the mushrooms can get crisp. The kushiyaki soya sauce is literally this really cool balance of salty soy, tart lemon, and butter. All three of those things do different things when it hits your mouth. So you have sodium, you have acid, you have fat. But it's the balance and the tension between those three ingredients that makes it really, really special. Okay, now we're gonna put the mushrooms in. This is nice. Get them in, don't touch them. Just leave them. Garlic is an added touch because it almost feels, because the lemon's in there, like it's like a lemon garlic butter. It's really like a beurre blanc because a beurre blanc is a white butter sauce. But thyme and garlic and onions, and you reduce vinegar and wine till it's barely anything. Pretty much nothing, and then you whisk the butter into it. That makes emulsified sauce. This is gonna be a cheat code. I'm gonna like, we're going, we're not, we're on a cliff. It's gonna be the same effect, a silky smooth suspended butter sauce with acid. I created it in my mind. What I love about this recipe is this is like the timing of it. German style egg noodle, that's cool, right? It's like the hamburger helper noodle. But I don't have any help. We've run out of burger. This part of the sauce goes really fast. Butter, lemons. I don't have any soy sauce. Yoink. You rolling with me? Ta-da. Okay, let's go in with the garlic now that they got the mushrooms really nice and crispy. That's nice. And just leave those mushrooms there. Don't touch them. Let them roll. And then this sauce is not complete without a butter. Yeah, this is perfect. That's a nice mushroom. You want to sear it, get the flavor started, and then the rest of these mushrooms are going to cook in the butter, in with some salty soy. And then so much lemon juice. You want a good balance. Little cubes of butter. Again, this is not for the faint of heart. This is an intense sauce. You got to keep it moving while the butter melts. So you're just going to keep switching it. And then you can kind of jack the heat up a little bit. Don't stop it from moving. Like a very nice, light amber color. This sauce is very, very neat and very, very intense. And if you can get the tension right, like the tension between the salty soy, the tart lemon, and the butter, magical things happen. Just got to keep it moving. Like in life. Life knocks you down, you get up. And you keep on moving. Nothing's gonna hit harder than life. But it's so good. Oh man, it's a beautiful sauce. That gives me so many memories of sitting at a sushi bar when I was a little kid, having these scallops and prawns coated in this butter that took us years to reverse engineer, and that is delicious. Egg noodles, perfect timing. Yeah, baby. I might just do a little bit of greenery. Yes. What's in your pasta? Lemon, soya, garlic, shiitake, butter sauce? This whole thing has character. Again, just gentle, just gentle. Just lay it down. This is so cool. Look at this butter sauce though, with a little bit of the cheese in it. And it's really nice and suspended. That's the technique of just swishing in that butter. I mean, none of this should work, but it all works.